and welcome to another episode of Get Social, where we show you how to be more effective using social media in the world of business. Today we're looking at LinkedIn, where our fictitious employee of Workspace Digital, Jennifer Thompson, is going to be updating her profile with a couple tips and tricks that will make it stand out and be more attractive. As far as social media goes, LinkedIn is by far the most professional. So you really want to treat this as your digital resume, your homepage, and kind of your go-to channel for networking and building business relationships in the digital space. So let's take a look at 4 quick ways that we can make our profiles more attractive. The first is to add a background photo. Adding a profile picture is pretty commonplace, and it's something that you're prompted to do right when you start and create a LinkedIn profile, but many people don't actually add a background photo, and it's a great way to customize your space. If you don't have a background photo, it's simple. You just click on this button up here, and then you select a photo. And there's some recommendations on photo size and type. And you want to try to upload a large image if possible. You have up to 8 megabytes, so something that's small or portrait mode is going to look pixelated. Try uploading a large landscape photo. Once you've uploaded the photo, you can use your mouse to drag the photo so that it's placed in the area that you want it to be placed. Once you've placed your image the way you'd like, just click Save, and there you go. You can mouse over and edit your background image at any time. The next thing we're going to do is change the URL so people can more easily get to our LinkedIn page. To do that, you just mouse over this little gear icon next to the URL here and click on it. Click this little thumbnail button, and it will give you the option to go in here and edit what they've currently got. Now you're going to have to pick something that nobody else has, so in this case I'm going to choose Jennifer Thompson Marketer because Jennifer Thompson's already taken, and I'll click Save. That allowed me to select it and didn't tell me someone else already has that name, so I can click Save. And now instead of that crazy URL that was just a bunch of random numbers and characters, when people go to my profile, and down here I can view my profile as a guest, people will be able to see this easy to read custom URL. I can also copy this URL, and now I can paste that in an email, or I can open up a new window browser and paste it directly in there, and that will take people directly to my profile page. So let's go back and just click on Profile. And then you'll see if you click View More here, there is tons of different sections that you can use to add information about yourself to your profile. The more information you add, the more people are going to learn about you when they visit your page. So this is a good thing to kind of go through. I'm not going to cover each one of these in this video, but this is a good thing to go through and spend some time really making sure that your profile is complete and has the information that you want people to know about. The other thing I wanted to mention is this media. Media is consistently proven to drive more engagement and to emotionally affect people's actions in the digital space. So it's a great idea to add media to your profile. And that's one of the great ways to connect your own brand to the current business and the business brand that you work for. So here is an example of a video that we just created. It's about 90 seconds long. I'm going to copy this link from Vimeo, but you can do this with a bunch of other video providers like YouTube. In fact, if you go to Add Media and go to Video, there's a link right here that talks about supported providers. But then all I need to do is paste in that link and click Continue, and it's actually going to pull that video in so that people can watch that video from my profile page. I can change up the title, I can change up the descriptions, but when I click Add to Profile, there's a nice, easy way for people to see my video. So now again, if I click here and look at my profile as how a visitor to my profile would see this, when I click on here, the video opens and people can watch this video right here in LinkedIn. It's a really cool way to connect your profile to some of the stuff you're doing at work. You can add links, you can add presentations like slideshows, PowerPoints, you can add photos, you can add documents. There's also ways to publish content and write blog posts in LinkedIn, but we're going to cover that in another tutorial. LinkedIn is a perfect social media platform for business networking and growing yourself, your own brand. We hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more future presentations and tutorials on LinkedIn. Thanks again for watching Get Social.